What is up, everyone? It is time for another show. This is Dre. I gotta send out a quick text here. Shoot, I'm falling behind. Yeah, all right. Little disappointed today. Nothing to do with trading. Yeah, okay. I think I'm live here. Sorry, I gotta get my act together. I had a problem with my Think or Swim account. That's my TD Ameritrade, and apparently, I had like 3 or 4 accounts with them, right? And they was all linked together. And one of the ones that I closed, the main account, was everything was linked into the main account. I had closed that a couple months back, so it forced me to basically, since that everything was linked to the closed account, finally it caught up to me, and it caught up to me how I noticed it. I didn't have live quotes, and I was actually trading off of live quotes. I put a put spread on Amazon, and I thought it was at 2010, and was actually at 2015. Was actually at 2006 or something. I was like, oh, something like that, and it didn't work out to be good. And I was like, fuck it, I don't care. I just let it be. And then I'm on I'm using the chat with them, and I can't. What they was telling me to do was just weird and different, and they was kind of chatting to me like I was stupid, like again, wanting to start putting caps and all caps. I'm like, oh, shut up, man. Can y'all just do it for me? Don't I spend a lot of money up in here trading? Just do it. Just do it for me. I ain't got time for this. So I didn't do much trading, and then okay, so I finally got it fixed, and I log into Thinkorswim, and everything is different. As you see, I don't have my Bollinger Bands up. What's this thing? This little graph here at the bottom. I don't even know what social sentiment. I don't even know what that is. So I don't know. I figure out how that helps me in trading. I don't know, but see everything. So basically, it logged me onto a new Thinkorswim. So all my charts, all my watch list, everything is just gone. Everything is wiped out. Okay, so I have to, over years of creating those watch lists and, like my sector list, and it's just gone. Luckily, I got some videos I can go back to and just actually look at my situation, see how I was set up. So YouTube, actually, I'm glad I've been making these videos because I could easily go back, see what I had, and then try to find the settings in this and do it, because it's just different. So everything is different here, and nothing is set up like I like it. So I have to go with that. So, and then okay, the market, that's why I titled this video, what did you trade? What did you do today? We could talk about you. Oh, let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, because my day sucked. And I spent all time fiddling with that all day, and I worked some overtime at the job, so it's just one of those days. One of those days. Oh, thank you, babe. She said I look good. Yeah, so anyway, that's what's up. All right, so I'm still trading Amazon, of course, and I'm not doing, the pullback today. It was kind of reversal and kind of got me scared. I was out, okay, and I had sold some. I had previously sold some put spreads as it was going up. So I got out around here, this 2010, when it opened up here, and then when I got out, I sold some put spreads. So that made money up to here, and I was smart enough to get rid of it when it was coming down somewhere around here, even before it came down. But as it was coming down to about here, it was about 2010, that's when I put on some more put spreads, about 1950, right around here, okay? So I sold those, and it's still coming down, so it has me worried. So then I got worried, and then I wind up selling. I was like, oh, maybe it won't challenge this high again, so I sold something right there, the 240, 250, I believe. So I basically made an iron condor, but right now it's underwater because I sold this when it was down here. It's kind of flattish, so we'll see. we'll see what happens with that trade. I might wind up taking them both off, or hopefully it could just hang around in there. Hang around in this little box a little bit, and I can make some money. Sold big, wide SPX stuff, some iron condors, and yeah, and that's about it. And I was just messing with this thinkorswim all day, so. Drinking iced tea. I got iced tea in the red cup. So not really myself. So what happened today? I don't really know. I was actually out of touch with the markets. I know Jerome Powell was speaking on the Hill again, and I think the market is just tired. So we can look at the SPY. We can look at the SPI. It's got volume. And what am I looking at here? See my charts. I just feel so uncomfortable. This is the 4-hour chart, and we coming up, and I think we're just getting tired. Oh, my moving averages is gone. Oh no, gosh. Draw some. Maybe still got my trend line. It's still on trend. I mean, hold on, I don't like that one. Yeah, I mean, it's still doing its thing. The Dow is funny because the Dow is up 227 points, and the SPs is only up six handles. That's it. And the Russell was down 0.5%. Let me tell you something. That is not good. The VIX was down 10 cents, and it was actually positive for the day, which that wasn't good either. Let's look at the minute chart. The 5-minute chart. We can kind of see what happened for the day. And I guess this is the day right here. I got to get my lines drawn, and you can see for the most part it trended higher for the day. So the Dow was at an all-time high. The SPs, only up 6. And the VIX is up, the Russell is down. Even though the VIX is down, it trended up, and the Russell is down. So that's not a good combination. So the SPX condors I got on, and I think I got some calls, but I'm basically negative deltas on that. Let me see if I can take a look at them. Yeah, look at that. Kind of rally at the end of the day. I mean, look at this chart, right? This is the 5-minute boom, 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 boom. This is 2 days. Yeah, I got to get my day lines drawn up in here. So forgive me on that with the charts. Let's see if I click the Analyze tab. You can see all the stuff I got going on. Yeah, my delta is negative 22. So I'm short. I'm basically short right now, the market, and short, long Amazon with some put spreads, selling some put spreads, and iron condor. But so that's all I got going on. That's it, man. So what do you got going on? Because I'm getting ready to end this video. Let me see. Are you able to put something there? I just have to go through the settings. So you have all these settings in here, and I just gotta go check what I want and blah blah blah, and just kind of style it. See, it was years. I've been having this platform for years. It was years of kind of tweaking it to getting it exactly the way I like it. Just years of that. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add this and tweak this. And so even when I bring up my, like, say, my moving averages or any kind of a study, so you have settings in the study that I don't know them. So I had everything just tweaked just right, so, oh well, I'm just a little upset. I'm going to try not to trade as much. I'm going to try to keep it simple, because I just feel that the market it's just not right. I still feel that way. I'm sorry. I tried to hide it in the last couple of weeks, but it's just not right. So I'm gonna just chill out a little bit, and because I had a good week, and I'll just kind of sit with that, just to see what happens. Earnings is coming up. That's gonna be the next catalyst, and we'll see how it takes us. If if these companies are going to be beaten and raising and beaten. I think it's going to be all about guidance. See what they talking about. If they see us going into recession, or do they see things good? And if they beat and raising and beat and raising, then the market's going to get scared because they're going to be like, oh no, there's going to be no interest rates then. So I think the market is hoping for bad reports. It's so weird, right? So we had all-time highs, looking for the interest rate cuts, looking for lots of negativity so we can get more interest rate cuts and quantitative easing, all that stuff, so we can go higher. But that means things is bad. And then if inflation ever comes in, because I don't personally, I don't think we should cut interest rates. So if inflation kind of peeks his head in, but we're cutting, then he's going to have to raise, or will he? Will he flip on a dime and start raising? And then, once inflation can get out of control, you can never catch up with it. So I don't know. It just seems not right. And it's just weird. Just weird. Generally, when interest rates are being lowered by the Fed, the market's down for the most part. The market's down. So in December, when it was December 24th, that would have been a time to come in and say, hey, let's lower some interest rates. And he's not lowering the rates based on the market. It's just that he's lowering it based on the economy, but the market's already got a read on that. So therefore it's down. And that's why it's always usually down. So he's going to go ahead and raise these, and the market's is it going to go higher? That's what this run was all about, I think. And that's why I think if he does raise it, which is in a few weeks from now, it's going to, I think it might be a sell and news event. And then we're like, oh my gosh, he raised it. We're doing bad. What does he know that we don't know? The economy sucks. That's why. But does it? I mean, where the jobs, tariffs, I don't know. Suppose the president has the tariffs. Suppose he, this agreement, trade deal. Then it's going to be like, okay. Because he was talking to the Hill like, yeah, the tariffs makes everything uncertainty. You got to raise. So if there's a trade deal, does he start raising it? And then if he does that, then everything goes down. And this is what can happen overnight. And so I'm going to pull up Amazon, for instance, because when I was in it, making all that cash on that run right there. Let's make it a little tiny. Yeah, making all the cash on this run right here. I had to get out early. I had to get out right here. This was my exit point. And, I can't even draw nothing. That was my exit point right there. And I just had to be careful because I wanted to stay in longer and catch this. But I just had to be careful because anything could ruin it. A tweet, this, that is so headline. We're still headline driven. So, yeah, just be careful. You get gains, get them and get out. You know what I mean? So that's basically what I did, or what you have to do and continue to do. Yeah, you just got to just take it and go. So I got it. A little bit afraid to redeploy it. I redeployed it down here, right? And in the SPX, and maybe I'll just chill with that. See what happens. So all right, so that's what I did. I wanted to hope you got in here to let me know what you did. Hey, Life Like I, did you get the alerts? Yeah, so I just wanted to see what you did, but you guys ain't commenting, so I can't talk about your trade because I would like to talk about what you're doing, what you see. So go ahead and leave a comment after the video because I'll get it and I'll talk about it tomorrow. Yeah, I can do that. So thanks for watching. I'm going to go ahead and end it. And hopefully my charts are going to be kind of out of whack. And, my watch list, I got, you have like personal lists. See how it says personal, and you come over here, default. And I had a whole bunch of personal lists, that I can kind of click onto, and I got to reset that up, just set it up. So you said you got it. Now, how many seconds or so after I sent you that text? I just got my Amazon package, I think. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll go ahead and end this. And yeah. Just looking at the stats. Every time I end it, I get more people coming in. Should I entertain? Okay, if you want me to stay on here and we could talk some more shit, you're gonna have to say something in the comments. I'll give you 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so yeah, anyway, this is we do this every day, right? Talk about stocks. I'm a little down. I'm sober. It's just not my giddy self today, and I don't know, for a bunch of reasons, but mainly that reason that we talk the charts, man, and just messing around with them, talking to them on the chat. I tell you, customer service is gone. Thanks, babe. 5 seconds, cool. So yeah, that's what it's about. Now I got to get ready to go to bed. You know, normally I do these videos about noonish, 11, 12, 1, somewhere in that window. So here's damn near 5 o'clock. Time for me to go to bed. Anyway, stay in chat, babe. Yes, no, I got to get ready to go to bed. And I gave y'all a 20-second challenge, so nothing else is in the comments but Life Like I. But you know what? I'm going to end that video and talk to her right here. So thanks for watching. Yo, leave your comments and I'll reply to all of them. And of course, if it's something I'll talk about, just talk about it on the next video. And check me out. Hit the bell, subscribe so you know when I come on, because I want to talk about what you want to talk about, So thanks for watching. I am Dre. This is Dre, Trade with Dre. And I'm on Twitter, Trade with Dre. And I'm going to put that Twitter link right down here in the little blank space down there next to where the chat's popping up. So y'all can see it. Hit me up on there. All right, thanks for watching. This is Dre, Trade with Dre. Peace.